Do you want to learn how to use ChaCha.App? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So as you can see, with this tool, you can video chat with AI characters. It's like an character AI alternative, but in character AI, you are just talking with them with text or with voice call. Instead of that, with ChaCha, you can see them when you reply to them on Telegram with a text, they're going to send you a video back. For example, this one.
I know we got matched, but I'm still not convinced I want to go on a date with you. How about we play a game?
Or this one.
Hey, you called me. What do you want?
Okay, I'm sure you're convinced now and you want to see how it works. So let's say, for example, I select this first one. And it's going to give you this, which says, let's play Never Have I Ever, and I'll start. Instructions, you have to install Telegram, click Start Chatting button, and start messaging. So let's click on this. I already have my Telegram open, so I'm going to click here. And it's going to bring us to this page. This is ChaCha bot Telegram, and I'm going to click on this Start button. You're not talking to Kara. Now, let's say, for example, you can send a message with voice, or you can just start talking with a message. Now I can say hi here. Now it's going to start recording the video. It's basically generating an AI video where it's going to record that response that you get via character AI, for example, and it's going to just record that as a video where the AI character is speaking to you. Now, as you can see here, we have a video with the AI character talking to us. I'll show you what it's saying.
Hey, how's it going? Want to keep the game going or chat about something else? What's on your mind?
And just like this, you can keep typing again and again, and you can start a conversation just like you do in character AI. Instead of just replying in text or a voice call, instead of that, you can see the AI character in action. And that's it. This is how to use this new tool, which is ChaCha.App by Infinity AI. I think they are the people who are behind this tool. They used to have this as a section here, but I think they've removed it for now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know with a like and comment.